As manufacturers across the globe are challenged to continue or resume production operations while keeping employees safe from COVID-19, some are forced to be a little creative to ensure workers keep up social distancing. On this front, Bloomberg News reported that Ford Motor Company is testing out wearable devices for its factory workers that vibrate when employees come within 6 feet of each other, which is the recommended minimal social distancing the CDC recommends. Bloomberg cites a Ford spokesperson saying that a dozen workers at its Troy design and manufacturing plant in Plymouth, Michigan are wearing Samsung Electronics smartwatches that use software from technology firm Radiant RFID. The devices rely on Bluetooth shortwave and low-power technology to detect proximity and clustering of other activated devices, thus keeping those workers at least 6 feet apart. The report says those workers receive a vibration and a color-coded warning on the device letting them know when they breach 6 feet from another person and in near real time. Ford supervisors also receive alerts and reports they can use to monitor employees' social distancing. Ford may deploy the devices more widely once it reopens its temporarily closed manufacturing plants. Ford announced the closure of all of its North American plants on March 18th. The company hoped to reopen a Mexican plant on April 6th and several key US plants on April 14th, but said March 31st that it was definitely delaying any reopenings indefinitely. The exception to those delays is Ford's Plymouth plant, which has been overhauled to produce more than 3 million face shields, along with face masks and reusable gowns for healthcare workers. Workers in Plymouth are also required to complete a daily online survey of their health and those they're in contact with. I'm Jeff Ranke. This is IEN Now.